Lightning Link, playing the Sahara Gold. And I got the hole to spin. It's got a maxed out major. Please. We're playing 2 cents, $1 bet. Come on, more coins. Oh no, don't be like that. Come on, point. Yes. Again, need you to save it. Come on, coin. Oh, so it was a good bonus. Still want that $1,000 meter. I'm up to 77. Back up. Oh. Okay, well, I'll come back if anything else happens. Okay, Lightning Link, Sahara Gold. And a few spins into, I switched it over to 1 cent and playing $1. And a few spins later, I got the picking bonus. So let's see what I can get. It's either going to be free games or hold and spin. Let's get the hold and spin. Hey, hold and spin. Still time for that $1,000 major. Come on, land a bunch of them. Oh my gosh, more coins. Ooh, wow, $20. Nice. Come on, coins. Give me that green major. Oh, 13 or 15. Nice. Come on, major. Oh, another one. More? Come on. Oh my gosh, find them both. Come on. Oh, last chance. Come on, find it. Drop it. Drop it. Oh, that was really good. $52. All right, let's try this again. Do a couple backup spins. Oh, 4. I think I'm gonna do $5.50 spins. Oh my gosh. That was awesome. Can we get the hold and spin again? Come on, let's get the hold and spin again. Come on, hold and spin, hold and spin, hold and spin. Oh, 100 though. It's the least amount of spins, but it's okay with the wilds. Come on. Oh my goodness, line something up. No, oh my gosh. 2 more spins. I need a re-trigger for them to line those wilds up. Oh my gosh, last spin. Come on, wilds. Oh no. Okay, that was not good, but it came fast. Do a few backup spins. Oh wait, I would still do 5 spins. I think this is 4 and number 5. Okay, I'll come back if I get anything else. The Lightning Link, still going for that $1,000 major. And I got the hold and spin on 2 cents on $2 bet. And yeah, it took me a while to get here. Come on, let's get some big ones. words. There's a mini for 20 bucks. Now let's find the minor and the major. Oh, more. Find all of them. Come on, more coins. Oh no. Last spin. Can we save it? Come on, coin. Grab a coin. Oh, nothing. $2 dress, that's good. Alright. Okay, so now we're back up to 130. We took a backup spins. Okay, last time. Alright, I'll come back if I get anything else. Lightning Link on the spin over 50 slots here. And I was playing a dollar bet and I got a $100 ball. I cannot believe that. Come on, let's see some more big balls. Come on, balls. Oh, come on. Find more. Oh, another $10 ball. Come on. Come on, find more. Oh, come on, find more. Oh, let's find more. Can you see a major in there? Oh no! Come on, find more. Keep landing it. Oh yeah, keep landing it. Come on, land another one. Oh no, last spin. Come on, land it. Land it, land it. Oh, still, that is a huge bonus. I cannot believe that $100 ball on a dollar bet. Awesome. This is amazing. Thank you, Lightning Link. And I'm still going for that $1,000 major. And now I'm up to $250. Let's see a few backup spins. 3 more? Oh. Oh, nice. I got all 5. $3. Come on, let's see that major drop. I haven't even seen the major, so bring the major with all the other coins so I can get it. I'll come back if I get it. I'll do it. Lightning Link. Sahara Gold. Got the picking bonus. Let's see what we can get. I'm gonna let Greg pick for me this time. Which one you gonna pick, Greg?
I have to look at the box.
Yes, you do.
They'll tell me which one you pick.
Oh, okay. Hit that hole and spin with a major.
I don't. It could be just the screen, but I think the right one is saying pick it up.
Okay. Hold and spin. Oh, yay! Good job. Now let's get the major. Come on, big numbers. Oh, big ones. That's a 62.50 or something? I don't know. Come on, big numbers. Oh yeah, more of you. Come on. More balls. Come on. More. Come on. Come on, find another one. Yeah. Right, keep going, find more. Find another one. Come on. Oh no, we gotta save it. Find another one. Drop it. Oh, but still, that's a really good one. We are now almost up to we're 301. We are up to $300. Nice. Backup spin. Another backup spin. And I'm gonna try, because I don't normally play 10 cents, but I'm gonna try some 10 cents. Let's see if I can get a bonus on this one. I've gotten a bonus on pennies, 2 cents, and nickels, but I haven't gotten anything on 10 cents. Can it do something? Oh, come on. Someone got a hand pay. I hear the music. It sounds great. I'd like to hear it over here, please. Here, you try too.
Okay.
Where are we down to? Okay, we'll play till 250. We won't go below 250 on dimes. Come on, bonus. Ooh, that's good. Oh, $5. Looked big better. Oh, there's 4. Come on. Bring that bonus on dimes. Oh, I got 2. Oh, I need 3 of those palaces. 3 more. Oh, went short.
Oh, this is the last one.
Oh no, we need more.
No.
Oh, okay, we'll do one more. Okay, well, we'll come back if we get anything else.